We know we have a very important game coming up on Sunday against Uganda. Already Uganda, they have qualified, but of course we know that they are not coming here to just relax. They're coming here also to play because they have their pride, they have their own personality, they want to maintain their record. But like I always say to my players, you must believe in your ability, you must believe in what you are doing. It is true that the Ugandans are good, but also it is true that we Tanzanians are good. If we can go to Kampala to pick a point where nobody expected us to pick a point, and now we are playing at home in front of our family, in front of our wives, in front of our brothers, in front of our fathers, in front of our sisters, I think we have to believe in the dream. It will be too early to say. When I came here, of course, when I came here initially, I told you guys that if we believe in what we are doing, if we work hard, it's possible that we can qualify to AFCON. And on Sunday, we have the privilege, we have the opportunity to qualify for AFCON. So what we need to do is to continue to remain calm, remain focused. A lot of you guys have been calling me to know what is the program, what is not the program. I think in life sometimes there's a moment of calmness. There's a moment of planning. There's a moment of trying to be yourself, and there's a moment of trying to see how you can direct the program to become a success. And I hope on Sunday, like I say to myself and I say to my God, if it pleases God that Tanzania will qualify for AFCON for a very long time, it's not because of me, but I think also Tanzanians deserve it, because when you look at the crop of players that you have, when you look at your football, you have a very rich football when it comes to football. And I believe that in Africa, you deserve also to be part of the big boys that will be playing in AFCON. So we cannot cook stories, we cannot say a lot of things. Maybe people like it, people don't like it. I think the most important thing is that you have to believe in this dream. We need everybody on Sunday. We need the media, we need the fans, we need the players. We want you guys to support the players. Don't expect it's going to be easy. There will be moments of doubt in the game. There will be moments of challenges. There will be moments of uncertainties. But I can guarantee you that the spirit I'm seeing on the players, they are ready to do their country proud. And inshallah, God's willing, we will do our best and then leave the rest to God. It's not about development. I think we have known each other for almost months now. We have played some games together as a team. Of course, some of the players are not here. We have new players also. I think this is part of the development. We shouldn't think only the same players. We should also realize that there will come a time some players here will not be here anymore. So we have to also picture the future to begin to develop the new one. But of course, like I said earlier, the players are happy. I'm glad that all the players, both the foreigners, both the local players that we invited, everybody is fit, nobody is injured. And those of you that have been in our training for the past 2 days, you could testify the spirit, the motivation in the players. So there is nothing I can say is than to continue to look at what will be useful to us. In our previous game, of course, we made some mistakes, we did something good, but it's left for us to go back. As a team, I believe that in every organization or in every human being, it's always good you can criticize yourself. I always tell my players the same thing. When people criticize you, don't pick offense. Look at it from positive angle, look at what you can take out of it, and then build up from there. And I believe we'll go back, we look at ourselves, we look at the mistakes we did in the previous game, we look at how we can improve. The Ugandans, they're a very good side. They also went through the process of what we're going through now. It took them 15 years to qualify for AFCON. And after that, they were able to build their confidence. And like I said, if it pleases God, if we qualify on Sunday, the confidence in Tanzanian football will grow. The players themselves will grow from strength to strength. I think this is the objective of this opportunity we have to play on Sunday. And hopefully, human beings, we are human beings, and only God knows what will happen. And me, I'm somebody right from young. I always believe in God. I always believe in positive. And I believe in positive that on Sunday, God will give us the grace. But we also must bear it in mind that we have to work hard. We must be able to push ourselves. We must be able to understand the journey. We must be able to interpret the script so that it can become to our own advantage. Well, it's not that we're going to attack, and it's not that in our last game we played defense. We didn't play defense. Every game comes with different plans. Every game comes with different challenges. Of course, it's not all about attacking. You also must find a means of balancing. You can't just attack, and then you cannot defend. We must find balance in between offensive and defensive, and this is football. If you know how to play when you have the ball and you know how to play when you don't have the ball, then you can tell yourself you can be able to manage the game. But if you only build your concept on just attacking, then probably you can attack, it can favor you, but of course when there is counter-attack, if you cannot defend it, then it becomes a problem. We will find balance. The objective of training is not just to gather. We look at people that can be able to fit into the game. We look at the people that can fit into these particular challenges, and then hopefully we'll find balance, and hopefully the message will be clear to the players so we can function operationally as a team.